Welcome back, friends. We have a so beautiful and an amazing picture on the screen. Here, first of all, I will click on that remove pro options to remove that part from the image which is going to be removed successfully. So, dear guys, after removing that thing, I would go on that beautiful brushes option. So here I would apply that beautiful brushes on it. And guys, in that brushes I would apply some beautiful butterflies on the picture, and here I would decrease its size like that one. So it's looking like